Welcome to another video on how to delete a Facebook account on Android. Hey guys, I'm Akin from Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. So without any delay, first open up Facebook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner right here and click on Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings. Now once you're on the settings page, tap on See More in Account Center. Now this will bring you to the profile editing page. Now click on Personal Details under Account Settings section. Now from this page, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Next, select Deactivation and Deletion. Now if you want to take a temporary break from Facebook, then you can deactivate your account instead of deleting it permanently. But if you have made up your mind to delete it, then simply click on Delete and Continue. Now Facebook will ask you to give a specific reason on why you want to delete your account, so you can select any one reason from the given and click on Continue. Again, scroll down and tap on Continue. And now to finalize your action, Facebook will prompt you to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your account password, and once you've done that, simply click on Delete Account button. And with this, your Facebook account will be deleted. So that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.